Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a review of these on Clubhouse Pro sneakers. These are tennis shoes, but I specifically use them for pickleball. I didn't do an unboxing of these sneakers on this channel. However, I've had these for about 5 months now, so I feel like now is a good time to review them. But before anything else, if you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. I'm trying to reach 5,000 subscribers next on this channel, so if these are types of videos that you like watching, I would really appreciate it if you could hit that subscribe button down below. And if you want to connect with me on my socials, it's at TrishDLF on Instagram. So these are the Roger Clubhouse Pro sneakers in the color Silver Glacier. These are actually a men's colorway, so I got a size bigger than I usually would because the smallest size that they have of this is a 7 men's. I am usually a 7 men's though, however, these on sneakers kind of run big, so I feel like I could have gone a size lower, but 7 was the smallest, so I stuck with them even if they were a little big. I feel like for these sneakers, I would have probably done better as an 8 women's or a 7 women's because a 7 men's is kind of just too big. So for these sneakers, I've mentioned that I've been using them for about 5 months now for pickleball. I used to play regularly, however, for the past month or a month and a half, I haven't been. And so far with 5 months of use, this is how it's fared up so far. Actually, my friends are pretty impressed with the wear and tear of these shoes because their tennis shoes get worn in so fast. However, for me, and I don't know if it's because I don't really play like every day. I used to play probably once or twice a week, but that was a regular once or twice a week. And so far, this is how it looks like. And even the soles, as you can see, there aren't really much heel drags on these. And I gotta say, I don't really take good care of my shoes. Like, I'm the type to wear these sneakers going to the court and going home from the court. So I'm not like the type to bring this pair to the court and then change there. And then after, I'll put it back in my bag and just use slippers to go back home. I'm the type when I have a game, I slip these on in the house, go to the court, play, and go home, and that's it. So with regard to like taking care of my shoes, I'm not really that careful with it. This actually has walked in the rain as well, and look at it, it's still pretty good. So I think with regard to like wear and tear, these Clubhouse Pros actually wear really well. And even on the textile portions, there aren't snags or anything crazy like that. Now for gameplay, and disclaimer, these are my only pair of pickleball or tennis shoes, so I don't really have anything to compare it to. However, I'd say that they're very stabilizing. They have a good sole in this speed board technology that's supposed to help stabilize your foot when playing, and the herringbone pattern for the sole is really good for traction. So as you can see, even if I've used this a lot, like the sole isn't really beat up yet. I think the most drag that you can see is here on the lower right of the shoe. And I'll just show you some close-ups. So in that area, you can already notice some of the drag. But on other areas of the shoe, not so much yet. So I think that's pretty good. So for these Roger Clubhouse Pros, they're actually for both clay and hard court. Although I've never used them in a clay court because I don't play tennis, but that's their description. So it's very versatile. You can wear them in both courts. And what I really like most about these shoes is that it kind of looks more like a casual shoe rather than an actual tennis or pickleball shoe. I feel like a lot of the really popular tennis shoes right now, like the Asics, they really look like tennis shoes. It has a very specific design that you know it's only supposed to be worn in-game. However, for these shoes, I thought it just looked so casual. Like it's something that I feel like you can wear out even after a game and you don't look like you just came from a game, if you know what I mean. I feel like majority of court shoes have a very specific design to them and they're just not very fashionable. Like, you know, it's a tennis shoe. However, for this one, it doesn't look like a tennis shoe. It can pass off as a lifestyle shoe, which is why when I saw this, I knew that this was something that would fit my lifestyle more. I'm not a hardcore pickleball player, so I didn't need those like crazy specs for tennis shoes. I know like the Asics gel tennis shoes, they're more or less considered the standard in terms of like durability and quality of tennis shoes, but I just really wasn't digging the design of those. They really just look like tennis shoes and it's something that I know I wouldn't be able to wear out. So these ones, because I'm not hardcore anyway, I knew that these would already suffice for my lifestyle and for the amount of times that I play pickleball. If I were to change anything though, I think it would be to pick a better sizing for my shoe. It's mostly because I didn't want to compromise on the colorway. That's why I got a bigger size than I usually would have. However, if I were to buy this again, I would definitely just go with my size and probably wait for a color that I really like in my size. So for this one, it's a US men's 7.5, and I really feel like I could have gone with a US men's 6.5. So that's how loose I feel like these shoes are on my feet. But what I do instead is I just wear thick socks for these whenever I use them so that it would be snug on me. And I feel like wearing thick socks does the job. Comfort-wise, these are also very comfortable. They're not walking on clouds like their other walking shoes or running shoes because they are tennis shoes, but still really comfortable for what they are. Overall, these shoes are a great design. If you are just like a casual player like me, these are definitely great shoes. These are a pair that you can wear on court and even to chill outside after games. Wear and tear so far after 5 months, and it's still in really great condition. And I just know that I'm gonna have a lot more games with these shoes. So that's about it. That was my review of the On Roger Clubhouse Pro shoes. If you like this video, I would really appreciate it if you could hit that like button down below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it if you could. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!